2024. Overall, the market is continuing to rise and inventory is dropping. Be sure to watch all the way to the end. I'm going to share with you how some people have lost $40,000 so far in this rising market. Lost money in a rising market. Let's talk about that at the end here. Let's get into the details. New home sales. There were 762 homes sold in February, which is up 31% from January and up 37% from the same period last year. Based on data from Trend Vision, average home price for Sacramento was $612,000. That's an increase of 3.2% compared to last month and an increase of 6.3% from March of 23. Average price per square foot in Sacramento was about $322. It's an increase of nearly 1.6% compared to February, and it's up 6.3% from the same period last year. Now, in March, a total of 2,253 homes were sold. That's an increase of 8.3% from February, but down 15.4% from this same time last year. Pending home sales continue to increase this year and are up 24.6% from February. And again, this is up over 9% from the same period last year. Inventory is hanging out at about 1.8 months, and that's up slightly from last month and up nearly 40% from this period last year. The trend line's heading up slightly, which is expected because we are in the spring selling season. There are more homes finally hitting the market, which is great for a lot of people. Mortgage rates still hanging out in that mid to high 6 range. I don't really see, given the strength of the jobs market and of the inflation, I don't really see the Fed making any meaningful moves in interest rates that will affect the mortgage market until maybe towards the end of this year. So we're going to probably stay in that mid to high 6 range for most of the year. Guys, demand is strong. We will continue to be strong in a very undersupplied market for Sacramento for the foreseeable future because we've got population growth and we've got a very limited inventory. If you're waiting for rates to drop to buy or sell a home right now, that strategy is likely going to work against you financially. Let me translate that into dollars. If you choose to wait from early January to buy today, you would, just because you wanted to save on your interest rate, right? We're just trying to save on our interest rate. It's a lot of the conversations right now. Well, if you waited to buy, you would have lost that. You would have purchased today at about $612,000. That's $40,000 higher than if you would have chosen to buy at the beginning of January. $40,000. Now that's $40,000 in equity in your pocket. Rates were slightly less in January, and your payment then would have been about $37.01. But if you bought today at the similar rates, but a much higher price, your payment's now $39.93. So you lost money by waiting for interest rates. That's a huge savings that could have been in your pocket. Not only an equity builder from a wealth standpoint for you, but a pure daily savings in your pocket. That's about $3,500 just this year in savings if you chose not to wait and bought when the time was right. Costs are really, going to affect your ability to grow wealth. This is, unless you're, think about this. If you don't like money, just keep waiting. It's going to work out great for you. But if you like money, if you're ready, willing, and able to buy a home right now, this is the time to do it. Guys in your corner, whether that's buying or selling a home today, our job is to help improve your life. If you're an agent and you're looking to grow your business, I would love to talk to you. We've got some phenomenal tools and access that a lot of other brokers just don't have. And I would love to have a conversation with you to see how we can grow your business together. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another market update. I'm Christopher Brown with Next Real Estate Group and Next New Homes Group. We will see you next month.